start off with an F over C chord. We've got third finger, third fret the A, pinky finger, third fret the D, second finger, second fret of the G string, and the first finger bar across B and high E at first fret. I'm going to strum down, down, up, down, up. That's 1, 2, and 3, and 4 round. We're then going to play an A7 chord, which I've checked out the live version here, and Alex actually plays it in this lovely open voice. So with an open A string, we've got second finger 7th fret of the D string, first finger 6th fret of the G, and third finger on the 8th fret of the B string. Same strumming, down, down, up, down, up. We then go to a standard D minor bar chord, so it's at the 5th fret here. Down, down, up, down, up. Drop the shape down 2 frets to a C minor bar chord. And then to a B flat bar chord at the 6th fret here. Same strumming. We're then going to go down to a G minor chord, but if you look at the live version, you'll notice that Alex isn't playing a full bar. He's playing third finger on the 5th fret of the A, pinky finger 5th fret of the D, and then a first finger bar across the 3rd frets on the G, B, and high E strings. Same strumming again, down, down, up, down, up. And then we go back to that F over C chord, down, down, up, down, up. Again to that A7 chord. Back to the D minor bar chord. And C minor bar chord, and then to the B flat chord again. We do change here, we go down to an A minor bar chord, but again voiced in the same way as we did with the G minor bar chord. Down, down, up, down, up, so that's 7, 7, 5, 5, 5, and then we're going to have a single strum on that G minor chord. So we'll just let it ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the second bar it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4 round. Up, down, up, and that takes us in to the chorus. So the whole verse is that F over C, A7, D minor, C minor, B flat, G minor over D, back again, F over C, A7, D minor, C minor, B flat, A minor over E, single strum on the G minor chord, 1, 2, 3, and 4 round, and that little up, down, up strum on the end there. The rhythm for the choruses is different from chorus 1 and chorus 2. I'm going to show you the rhythm for chorus 1 because it's much more tricky than for chorus 2, and I'll explain chorus 2's rhythm too. So we're going to start off on a B flat chord, and we're going to strum down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And then we're going to go to a B flat minor bar chord, but again we're going to use a partial bar voicing. So anytime we see a minor bar chord on the E string root, we're going to play it as this kind of partial bar voicing. The rhythm here is a bit weird. It goes down, down really quickly, and then down, up, down, up. And after that quick, there's a little stop on the guitar, like that. So we're just releasing the pressure there on the left hand and kind of getting more of a mute strum than anything. We'll then move down 1 fret to an A minor over E chord and do exactly the same thing in the first bar. And then we'll go to the kind of normal rhythm. And you'll notice Alex will kind of drag the second beat there. Like that, with like a rake strum. And then we're going to go to a D7 chord, again exactly the same rhythm we played for the A minor chord. Then to a G minor over D chord, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, and we're just going to use the normal rhythm. And back up to that B flat bar chord, B flat minor bar chord I should say. And then that repeats. So the whole chorus slowly, B flat. For the second chorus, every chord is exactly the same, but the rhythm is much simpler. The B flat starts off the same. And then when we change for the other chords, it's literally just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, outro at 1:56, we start off on an F over C chord. Now the rhythm for the outro is really odd. It goes da, 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 on the F over C chord. So I'm going to play everything as downstrokes, but Alex's strumming is literally all over the place on this part. And then we go to that A7 chord, and it's down, 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 D minor, down, 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 same rhythm, and for the C minor. Then we go back to the B flat chord, and we're going to add an extra half beat on the end. Back to the A minor chord, down, 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 and then the G minor single strum to finish the song. So we have the F over C, A7, D minor, C minor, B flat, A minor over E, single strum,